Ang saya, double ang ligaya. Sa kauna-unahang pagsasama ng dalawang hari ng industriya. The one and only Comedy King meets the three-time box office king in the biggest and most awaited comedy movie event of the year. Dolphy and Vic Soto in Double Trouble. Get ready to rumble! Mula sa RVQ Productions, MZ Films, and APT Entertainment. Directed by Tony Y. Reyes. Ipapalabas na on August 13.
Dad! Daddy!
Anak ni Sir Mark, dead kang Arthur ka. Always baby.